Did Oracle replace jobs with AI in 2026? Oracle cut about 21,000 employees in fiscal 2026, and filing details say some of those roles were eliminated as the company used AI while it kept restructuring its business. The key detail is not just the size of the cut, it is how Oracle described it. The filing says the company's global workforce dropped to 141,000 by May 31. Reuters reported the decline was about 13%, or roughly 21,000 employees, in fiscal 2026. That makes the reduction wider than many people realized, and it happened while Oracle was still posting its largest ever quarterly results. That detail is why the story is spreading fast. Oracle did not just trim costs, it linked some job losses to AI. The company is in the middle of a broad restructuring, so the cuts are not being treated as a standalone layoff wave. Instead, they point to a bigger shift in how Oracle is reorganizing work across its business as AI changes which jobs stay and which ones go. Oracle's cuts land inside a much larger industry break. The research says over 180 tech companies have launched layoffs this year, and nearly 120,000 tech professionals have been affected. That puts Oracle in the same pressure zone as other major players, where growth, restructuring, and AI adoption are happening at the same time. Salesforce is one of the big names already caught in that wider wave. Oracle's numbers show the new corporate playbook in plain view: strong results on one side, fewer workers on the other. The company reported its largest ever quarterly results while continuing the restructuring. That is the part investors and workers will keep watching, because the next round of cuts may not look like a crisis, it may look like efficiency. At Oracle, AI is now part of that calculation. Oracle's 21,000 job cut is not just a one-company layoff story. It shows how AI and restructuring can hit the same workforce at once. The next thing to watch is whether Oracle's approach becomes the model other big tech firms follow in 2026.